Hi everyone, I'm Anna Prizzia. I'm with the Field and Fork program with IFAS, College of Agricultural and Life Sciences, and we're here at the Field and Fork Pantry. One of the most important things about being frugal when you cook and saving money when you cook is remembering that you can always use what you have in your fridge. And if you're being adaptive and intuitive with your cooking, you're going to have things you love in your refrigerator. And so you can use those to make soups and frittatas and everything that you love. Leftovers are great. In our frittata yesterday, we used broccoli and cheese, but you can also pull out those roasted veggies you made from the night before and toss those in. If you happen to have a bag of frozen vegetables, you can get those in there. So really you can work with what you've got rather than having to go to the store and shop specifically for that one thing that you need.